For the past few days, many people seems to be rushing to mine Pi token, despite the fact that most people do not know its real value or the prospective future of this cryptocurrency. When you ask them, they'll say hunting for Pi costs me nothing, therefore it poses no risk at all. If I am lucky, I will get money, otherwise it is just a game to play. But the real question is, how can you withdraw your Pi token? What is the probability that Pi Network will get listed? How much will 1 Pi be worth if Pi Network eventually get listed? Most importantly, when exactly is Pi Network getting listed on various exchange platforms? All these questions will be answered in this video. Hi there. It's Sheriff Network and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Just before we proceed, if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy, regardless of any country you reside, is to buy from Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Disclaimer. Please, keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions, as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. With that being said, let's get into the video. So, what exactly is Pi Network? Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to keep crypto mining accessible, as the centralization of the first generation of currencies like Bitcoin, which has put them out of reach of everyday users. The Pi Network, developed by a team of Stanford graduates, enables users to mine coins using its mobile phone app, validating transactions on a distributed record. Similar to network marketing, the app is introduced between users and then downloaded with expectations going forward that they can earn a profit once the Pi Network is listed on the stock exchange. Before we dive into the main topic, let's briefly talk about what Pi Network has recently achieved over the last few months. On May 8, 2021, the total number of Pi Network users exceeded 17 million. Also, the test wallet has been launched successfully, and there has been no errors yet, which is a very great leap towards Pi token getting listed. As a result of the node testing, Pi have exceeded 12,000 active nodes, which if compared to Bitcoin, that only has an average of 9,400 active nodes, this is a great achievement. Moreover, the payment speed of the test node was within 8 seconds, while Bitcoin is 30 to 120 minutes. With the branding based on the number Pi. Phase 1 of the project was launched in 2019 on Pi Day, March 14th, with its free Pi mining app. By June 2019, the network already had more than 100,000 active users, and a year later when Phase 2 launched there were more than 3.5 million. The app started running ads in May 2020 to provide a source of financing for the project. The user base reached 14 million in March 2021, having crossed the 12 million mark in February. Pi Coin is the cryptocurrency that runs on the Pi Network, and as with other cryptos such as Bitcoin, Pi was designed to undergo regular halving to protect its scarcity. Halving is when the number of coins that a miner receives for processing new transactions are reduced by half, when a certain milestone is reached. Pi's mining rate halved from 1.6 Pi per hour, when it reached 100,000 users, halved again to 0.4 Pi per hour when it reached 1 million, and again to 0.2 Pi when it reached 10 million. It will continue to halve, reaching 0 at 1 billion users. Unlike nodes in networks such as Bitcoin or Ethereum that use proof-of-work protocols, Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and reach a consensus on the order of new transactions that the ledger records. Under the SCP, Pi nodes form security circles, or groups, of 3 to 5 trusted people known to each of the network's users. Security circles build a global trust network that prevents fraudulent transactions, as transactions can only be validated on the shared ledger if the trusted nodes approve them. Now, talking about when Pi Network will get listed on various exchange platforms. At present, Pi and its transactions have yet to be licensed domestically, and there have been implicit transactions of cash for the purpose of an exchange of accounts, reaching the milestone as certified by Pi Network operators. Many members of the Pi Network group domestically have revealed that similar to Bitcoin 10 years ago, Pi is donated among the community by Pi Network developers. It is hoped that this digital currency will one day be listed on stock exchanges globally, thereby causing its value to increase by hundreds, or even tens of thousands of US dollars, and possibly leading the way in terms of new generation electronic currency to replace Bitcoin. Once Phase 3 launches, holders will be able to take full control of their private and public wallet keys and use the coin to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace or exchange it for fiat currency. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. The Pi mobile app acts as a cryptocurrency wallet, linked to a user's phone number or Facebook account. As with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and transact with them by submitting transactions directly to the blockchain. However, unlike other blockchains, its developers have not yet released its source code. In December 2020, the Pi developers introduced a new Pi brainstorming app to allow users to propose app ideas, join projects and engage other users. What is the expected value going to be? Presently, the official value is still 0. Only very few people can trade. Therefore, we still have to wait. However, major rumor has been speculated about Pi Network getting listed by August, which is just 2 months away. Since it is still an unlisted coin, it can't be valued yet, but very few people trade using the Pi Lifestyle app for about $100 per 1 Pi. An exchange called SJS in Singapore trades Pi futures. The current price is about $10 per 1 Pi. But presently, the official value is still 0, therefore we still have to wait for a very little more time. The identity of the core team is very transparently. Other coins often don't know who the developer is or where the company is. Among the unlisted coins, the technology development level is the highest. It has a whopping 18 million users. For many users, it means that the coin's ecosystem is strong. In addition, users are growing at an average rate of about 300,000 per week. Hence, if you would like to register and start getting free Pi, kindly follow the link in the description of this video to get started. In many ways, I prefer the unassuming, budget look of the founders. It's certainly more trustworthy than if they were carrying on like Fyre Festival organizers, posing with models on yachts. At the end of the day, there are no certainties when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and their proposal isn't offering that. It's just a matter of inviting you on board and seeing what happens. Considering you're not having to invest anything other than the effort to download an app and open it once a day, that seems a reasonable deal, especially when you think what this could become. Whilst it's early days for Pi, it's growing at a rate that can't be ignored. It's free and easy to start earning it, and for us, that's made it worth giving it a go. Apart from some wasted time, you've got very little to lose. Of course, it might not amount to anything, but if it achieves its targets, then it will be quite something. And in that situation, getting in early could eventually pay off nicely. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Quick reminder. If investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside, is to buy from Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform's is the best and cheapest, as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.